Hey guys,
And then hopefully old Herbie will
here's my
in there.
first
Herbie.
sandwich I made. By the way, it's
Some of these ladies will want to serve
Italian
you,
sauce.
Herbie.
I don't eat regular sausages. That's my baby Onix. Onix! Winnie! You want some? I'm sharing my food with her at the moment because she don't have no kitty food. So she gets to have some if she likes. I don't care. She can eat it if she likes. I'm seriously not afraid of germs. I'm not the girl that'd be like, ew, cat. No. No. She is me kitty, and I get to share. She eats me too. I'm through my hair. Alright. Say hi, Onix. And this is, of course, Domi's you. You've seen him in other videos too. He's super jealous. Don't eat the whole thing on me. I want some too. I'm hungry also. Come on, Onix. I'm hungry too. Come on. Will you let Mama eat too? Will you let Mama eat too? Onix. You want some eggs? Okay. Romeo, no. Sorry guys for the lady, but if you want a better look, this is my Onix. Yes, she's named after a Pokemon. Her full name is Onix Bulbasaur Hall. Don't ask why last name is Hall. Somebody knows why. You want some more? You want some more? You want a little bit, Romeo, too? Alright, I'll give you some. Come. Sit. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Don't eat my finger! Ugh! You literally almost ate off my finger. No jerk. No! I'm watching Bad Grandpa. It's absolutely awful. I love it. It's awful, I love it. Me and my jacket's production, of course. Yeah, so hold up. Somebody come. Somebody come. Come here. Come here. Onix, you want some? Come here. Come here, Onix. Onix, come here. Oh, you're such a good girl. I'm currently giving them my food because I think that they should eat before me. To be honest. They go first, you know. Come here. Come here.
She's probably drunk right now. She went to a strip
I'd rather
club.
starve than let them starve, you know. Plus, I can make something else. I guess a couple of eggs. Yeah. By the way, no seasoning on the egg. It's just regular egg, nothing on it. And if you're gonna feed your animals food, eggs, rice, hamburger, and don't give them sausage because sausage can hurt their stomachs. Don't give them grapes because grapes can actually be fatal and kill them. It's poison to them. So you want to make sure that your food doesn't have any seasoning. It's doesn't have anything on it. It's just plain eggs I'm giving them.
Is somebody watching you or something? No.
You just learned something.
What? You get that shirt transfer.
Onix is a 2-year-old black cat, I guess. Complete sweetheart. I can literally do anything to her. Like, I wouldn't abuse her, of course. She's my baby. I call her my baby because she really is my baby. But I wouldn't abuse her, of course. But she's an awesome cat. I can put her on my shoulders like a parakeet. Alright, she'll just stand there, lay there. She's awesome. Romeo, you don't know about Romeo, we may have to put him down because he's mean towards children. He bites children. He doesn't bite children, but he gets like scared and he snaps. And he actually bit a child once, so we may have to put him down, unfortunately. I'll show you Onix. A better thing Onix, where lighting is. Onix, come on, babe. So this is me, Onix. And look how cool she is. It may look like I'm hurting her, but I'm not. She's actually really relaxed. Isn't that right, baby? She's actually really relaxed. I've done this to her many times. She's an amazing cat.
We met with someone to discuss that.
She'll be going to everywhere I'm going. When I get older, I'm going to move to Alabama, of course, and I'm bringing my baby with me. Isn't that right, Onix? You're going to be hunting birds, and she looks pissed, and she's going to be eating, and she's going to have a good life there. Isn't that right, baby?
You know what a woman likes?
Alright. I'm currently talking to the best person in the world right now. He knows who he is. So, I'm going to go so I can continue talking to him. Alright, bye. See ya.
Hello, ma'am.
And Onix says bye too.
Flatter an old man.
See you, bye, Onix.
Magic trick, would you?
We're out, guys.